Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Burns number 500 package of 100 door silencers for metal frames. Very typical and common rubber bumpers or metal frame silencers for hollow metal frames, and that's what they look like. When you buy one, you are indeed purchasing a bag of 100. That's how they're sold. Dimensional properties, and this is going to fit in every commercial hollow metal frame that there is. It'll have a standardized hole that's been drilled, which is about 9/32 of an inch. That's what it should measure. Just heavy on a 1/4 inch. 5/16 is a bit sloppy. 9/32 is better. A 1/4 inch is far too tight. You can force it into a 1/4 inch, but that size is indeed too tight. 9/32 is the proper size. Let me give you some dimensional properties of the item. The overall diameter of the face of the item, which is what is going to be presented to the door when the door is closed, is 0.498. Whoa. Okay. 0.498 diameter. Okay. Now, thickness of the head, 0.123 inch. So just basically an eighth, 0.123. Overall height from face to tip, 0.547. 0.547 overall. Diameter of the recessed area that's going to go into the hole, obviously not trying to compress this, 0.250 inch, the diameter of the inside here, 0.250. Okay. Now, the name Burns is synonymous with practically everything trim and auxiliary hardware related. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Burns products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website along with a link to the full product catalog. I'm quite partial to Burns, and it's because of their excellent quality, excellent caliber of their product line across the board. Just this rubber bumper, if you compare this to others that are available in the marketplace, you're going to find this a higher quality, sort of consistent material that will be that will have a greater or higher caliber sort of presentation. There's not a lot of loose ends. The material is thicker and larger than average, or than some others, and is, in my opinion, quite well worth the cost. What you don't get with these bumpers is the installation tool. If you were to use like maybe an 8-penny nail and stick it down in that hole, you'll use that as an installation tool to pop it into the hole that is in the steel frame. Or if you've got some commercial locks, you know you'll have that little piece of wire that's bent with a little loop on it. It's going to look like this. Okay, if you have one of those that's used for removing levers and knobs off the interior of those doors, etc., you want to save that and use it for the installation tool for this. But maybe an 8-penny nail, something like that. It's rubber. You don't want to puncture it, so you want a blunt end. Or worst case scenario, you kind of stick it in the hole, then you just work the piece in that way. Hopefully you don't have to do too many of those to get that to happen. If you have any questions on the Burns number 500 door silencers for metal frames or any other Burns product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.